Allah says, I took your soul. Inni mutawaffika. The implication would normally be he's dead. But Allah says, I made it appear to them like that. There is one theory which is called the theory of substitution. That I want to have nothing to do with the theory of substitution. It says that Allah caused someone else to assume the appearance of Nabi Isa alayhi salam. So that individual is innocent of ever having claimed to be the Messiah. Don't come and tell me, well, he did such and such a thing, or such and such a thing, and such a thing. That is irrelevant. This man is being crucified because he claims to be the Messiah. That's why he's being crucified. That Allah caused someone else to assume the appearance of Nabi Isa alayhi salam, and that's the fellow who was crucified. When you stand before Allah on Judgment Day, you better be prepared to defend that position. I will have nothing to do with it.